Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the Teams app updated and signed in. Once ready, join the meeting. Tap the screen to show controls because the background options hide until you do. Next, find the 3 dots or More Actions icon. This unlocks background effects. Make sure your camera is on so Teams can preview changes, otherwise you will only see muted placeholders. Now open More Actions and select Background Effects to begin swapping your background. This starts the change process. Once you open Background Effects, scroll to find a built-in option that suits your meeting. Tap to preview it first. If you prefer a custom image, use Upload and pick a JPG or PNG from your phone. This gives you control over branding or privacy. After selecting, tap Preview to see how Teams separates you from the background, because lighting and positioning affect results. When it looks right, hit Apply or Turn on Background Effects to make the change live for your participants. To finish, tap Apply so your chosen background shows to others. This persists until you change it. If you see jagged edges or flicker, make sure you have even lighting and step about 0. 5 to 1 meter from walls, because distance helps the camera separate foreground from background. If the background effects option is missing or failing, close and reopen Teams, check for app updates, and verify your account supports backgrounds. Then try again. One quick restart, often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.